We're Rachel and Austin, and we're traveling the USA in our Winnebago Revel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're in the great state of Maryland, walking around the nature park. Since most of our time in Maryland has been spent sitting at a dealership, we are now walking We found this while camping at Tuckahoe State Park and Lake, just minutes away. That's a snake. I'm a snack.
I'm a snack.
Swear to God. I honestly think one of the biggest dangers is watching out for acorns, because they're everywhere, falling from the sky. They're coming for you.